Hello, all. My name is Zimil Joshi, and welcome to the Eyes on AI. So, today we are going to start our own YouTube channel where you can learn data science, AI, and don't have to pay a lot of money to the online platforms to learn data science and AI. There are so many YouTube channels are available on the YouTube where you can learn data science, AI in the free. But yeah, I believe like there are some loopholes in that courses, and there are some loopholes in this YouTube videos. So I'm going to fulfill all these loopholes in this channel. You can learn everything, every basics of machine learning and every advance of machine learning, every advanced level AI things, every advanced level deep learning things you can uh, learn here. So yes, today we are going to start with the very basics of Python. Like basics means how you can install the Python in your system, because the main requirement in your system is install the Python, because without Python you can't go further with this data science course, right? Yes. So today we can see how to install the Python in your system, and then in future, like in future video, the next video, I will explain the whole roadmap to become an AI engineer, or you can say full stack data scientist, right? So yes, we can see how can we install Python in our system, and then from the next lecture we can go further with the roadmap, and then going further we are going to cover everything like statistics, machine learning, deep learning, every components of deep learning like computer vision and NLP as well, with the projects. So and the projects will be an industry level project, so you can put that projects in your resume, and whenever you are going to crack your interview, your entry level interview, you can explain that project towards their interviewer, and I am sure like that the projects, the quality of the project will assure your first job in a data science in AI industry, right? So yeah, we can see how we can install the Python universe system. So the very basic thing, and very easy way to install the Python in your system is Anaconda. So many of you maybe heard about the Anaconda, and maybe or not. So Anaconda is a tool which is providing you a Python version 3.9. The latest version in the market right now on this date is 3.10. But the most stable version you can say of Python is a 3.9 till date. Okay, so Anaconda provides us a version 3.9 of Python, and it come up with so many IDEs, right? Like Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Lab, PyCharm, VS Code, Orin 3, and Data Lore, IBM Watson Studio, etc. Okay, so yes, we can install Anaconda in your system, and from the next lecture, we are good to go with basics of Python, with the basics of programming in the Python. So yeah, we can see how we can install the Anaconda in our system. Okay, so simply we have to go at in any uh, browser. I'm using Brave here. I found it amazing. So yeah, uh, you have to simply type Anaconda Navigator, download. Yes. Okay. So here we have option of Anaconda Navigator. You can see the definition of Anaconda Navigator. Of course, no one is going to ask you this definition for sure. And yes, mm, okay, download. And yeah, here is it is the website for download the same. And you don't worry about it. I will mention the link for the same in the description box as well. No, maybe this is the documentation. I'm looking for. Okay, here it is. So Anaconda is available for all the system. If you have a MacBook, you can go with this iOS download. If you have Linux, you can go with this Linux system download, and uh, Yeah, majorly we are using Windows. So for Windows, you will download it from here as well, and by default it is providing for the Windows only. Okay, so you can just simply download it, and it will ask you for the path. Save it, and just download will be start in your system. I already have a Anaconda in my system, so I don't require it to download. Okay, so now simply you have to just write in your search bar Anaconda Navigator, and it will open for sure. So yes, it will take a little bit of time to open. Till then, just wait. Okay, okay, Anaconda is already running. So yes, whenever you are going to open it, you will see this screen. And here we have so many IDs which is provided by default in the Anaconda. You can open any ID by just one click. You can just click on launch, and that IDE will be open. Right here, you can see there is something base root. So what is it? So it is the base environment of Anaconda. So Anaconda provide you a feature. Also, simple Python. If you can download the Python 3.10 version from your uh, any browser, and you can download any IDE like VS Code or PyCharm independently. You have option to make a virtual environment as well. So the same option, if you don't know about the virtual environment, don't worry about it. We will discuss each and everything in for going on, like in future videos for sure. Okay, so this is the base environment where you can install the packages in the Python. Don't know about the packages? Don't worry. Maybe these words will be new for you. But yes, and going further, you will be using this word for sure in each uh, in everyday life. Okay, so yes, we are good to go with start our Python programming. So from next lecture, so in the next lecture, what I plan in the next lecture, we can just go through the roadmap how we can become a full stack data scientist or AI engineer. Okay, and then we can start with the basic Python. Then we can, after the Python, we can start with the statistics, basics of statistics, which is required for the machine learning and deep learning. Then we can go with the machine learning algorithms, the what is the mathematics behind those machine learning algorithms, and along with the practical implement of this each and every machine learning algorithm. Then we can go with the neural network, we can go with the deep learning, computer vision, NLP, everything. So yes, just be with me, and now you don't have to pay like fees of 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs on the online platform to learn everything. Just give me your dedication, give me your valuable time, and end of this, you will able to crack the entry level interview of your journey towards the data science or towards the AI. Okay, so yes, bye. Keep enjoying, keep learning, and please enjoy this process of learning. You will get everything here for free. So just do support, and yeah, like this video, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon so you will get the notification. Yes, my video is uploaded. Now just to watch it and practice on it. Yeah. So, and yeah, one important thing I want to know, I want to let you know, I will also provide you an assignment uh, uh, towards the end of every particular session. Okay. So yes, and I'm planning to upload 2 3 videos per week, minimum 3 videos per week. I will schedule like in this way. I will upload 3 videos. You know in a week, and the rest of the day you can practice on the assignments and whatever program and whatever things which I have share with you. You can practice on it, do your assignments, and yeah, in further videos, I will let you know how you can upload that assignments, how you can do that assignments, and everything. I will give you details for that. Okay, so for sure, uh, keep enjoying, keep learning, and yeah, goodbye.